Hey man, y'all finally ready to see the Wavy Wayne studio tour? I got you. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wayne.wav. And if you don't know, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster. But this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to actually give y'all a look into my studio currently as it is before I do a little bit of remodeling, a little rearranging, a little upgrading to some things, all right? So if you've been watching the videos in the past already, you already seen that I've been copping some new analog gear, added the new not new, but it's new to me. Added a Neve 8816 Summer mixer as kind of the centerpiece of my studio now, and a few other analog pieces. The distressor compressor, I got 2 of those now. I started a API lunchbox, and I'm just gonna be adding a few more 500 series modules and a little bit more analog gear just to really bring some more character and really to have fun, man. I think more than anything, I just want to be excited all the time. So that's really why I'm doing this. But a big part of what's coming new is also going to be a new studio desk. I've ordered the Argosy Halo Plus desk, and it's going to be coming in just a few days. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything taken down and taken apart to actually prepare for the installation of that desk. So I'll be showing y'all that process as well and showing y'all as I put everything back together. But before we do that, I just wanted to give you a quick look into the way the studio actually looks now, kind of show you the desk that I had. It's a custom built desk, and show you the gear that I have in my rack. And yeah, man, and then you can see how we go from where we at right now into where we gonna end up. So let's get switch over to some beautiful beam footage. Alright y'all, that's a quick look at my control room and my current studio desk setup. You see how my gear is in the rack. Stay tuned for the next video, or who knows when it's gonna come, but stay tuned because soon I'm gonna have a whole nother video with a whole new studio setup out here, and it's gonna be dope, man. So thanks for watching this video. Check out wavywayne.com if you wanna record and mix better and faster using my custom session templates and a whole bunch of tutorials and tips. All right, be dope.